Okay, guys, so this is how you do the collage. Go to your science class, go to classwork, click on your collage. So up here it says add or create. Drawings. And then you have two ways to insert. You can click here, and you can insert from your drive, your Google Photos, or your computer. You can also insert here. So if I want to insert from my drive, I have my recents, and I have my drive. Still my drive. If you want to save your pictures to a specific folder, that's fine. In your Google Drive, that'd probably be the easiest way to do that, because that way I can just go like this, and that would be my pollinator. You can also insert this way, straight from my computer. And this is what your completed collage should look like when you're done. Okay. The way to insert those names, go ahead and click text box. This is my text. This is my pollinator. Okay, so you need to do this for all 5 of your items. Once you're done, it says all changes are saved, so you can just exit out. It's already attached. Hit turn in, and that is it. Let me know if you have any more questions.